Welcome to today's YouTube tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to show notifications, errors, and pop-ups. We will open these examples with a button script. Double-click on the button to create a script. Search for notification in the script tree and choose Info. Add a text block and write the message you want to display in the block. Additionally, you can set the amount of time you want this notification to show. You can create a red error message the same way. Simply select Error in the drop-down of the code block. To create a simple pop-up with a header, search for pop-up in the script tree. Add your header and text. If you want a pop-up with buttons that run a script when you click them, create a function. In this example, we are setting a text control to show the effect of the button clicked in the pop-up. Make sure the text control is activated and has a name so we can use it in the script. There will be 2 buttons, so we need 2 functions. Search for the code block Show Pop-up with custom answers and fill in the header and text. Choose the Agree function for answer 1 and write Yes to give the first button a text. Write No in the second answer and run the Disagree function. The first one will be an Agree function where we set the text control to I clicked on the Agree button. The Disagree function is the same, only here we want the text control to say I clicked on the Disagree button. Open the button script of the button you want to open the pop-up. You can also hide and show groups. This is helpful if you want to design your own pop-up. We will show this with a group of text. Group your elements and give the control a name. Open the button script and create an if statement. Go to the controls section of the script tree and search for groups. Check if the group is visible. If so, the click of the button should hide the group. If not, the button should show the group. In the video description, you can find links to our template page, where you can download the project file and the corresponding article on our help page. Thank you for watching.